5 easy gravies that feel like restaurant style, made right in your kitchen. Rich, creamy, and bursting with flavor. Every bite tastes like a treat. First one is Matur Paneer Masala. Roast cashews, green peas, capsicum, paneer, onions, and tomatoes separately until they turn soft and slightly golden. Now blend the onions and tomatoes into a smooth paste and grind those soaked cashews into a rich, creamy base. Back to the pan, add a little ghee. Drop in big cardamom and bay leaf. Add finely chopped ginger, garlic, and green chili. Pour in the blended paste. Add dry masalas, roasted peas, paneer, and capsicum. Mix gently so everything soaks up that rich flavor. Add salt, a hint of sugar, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Finish with crushed kasuri methi. And there you have it, creamy, rich, restaurant-style Matur Paneer Masala ready to impress. Second one is Bagra Bangan, a royal, rich curry packed with bold, nutty flavors. Start by dry roasting sesame seeds, coconut, and peanuts until aromatic. Then grind them into a coarse, flavorful powder. Heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and jeera. Let them splutter. Now add ginger garlic paste and fresh curry leaves. The aroma is just irresistible. Add finely chopped onions and saute till golden. Then mix in the roasted nut powder. Adjust the consistency by adding a little water and let the gravy simmer on a low flame. Let it slowly thicken. The oil starts to separate, and all those rich nutty flavors come together beautifully. Adjust the consistency by adding a little water and let the gravy simmer. Meanwhile, take small brinjals and cut them into 4 slits like this, keeping the base intact. Meanwhile, heat a little oil and gently place the slit brinjals into the pan. Fry them on medium flame, turning occasionally until they turn soft, glossy, and lightly golden on all sides. Now drop these roasted brinjals into the hot, bubbling gravy. Let them soak in all that flavor. Cook for 10 minutes on low flame. And your rich, spicy, tangy Bagra Bangan is ready, perfect with roti or rice. Bagra Bangan is a rich, royal Hyderabadi dish where tender brinjals are cooked in a creamy, nutty gravy of peanuts, sesame, and coconut. Save this recipe. Third one is Ridge Gourd Gravy, a hidden gem that turns super soft, juicy, and full of flavor. Start by removing the hard skin, then cut into thick round pieces and gently scoop out the inner soft white part. Don't throw it away. That's the secret to the gravy. In a grinder jar, add onions, green chili, ginger, garlic, the ridge gourd pulp, and some roasted peanuts. Blend it into a smooth, rich paste. Now add salt and your favorite dry spices. Mix well and carefully stuff this masala into each piece. Heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds, jeera and fresh curry leaves for that aromatic tadka. Place the stuffed pieces in the pan and cook them on all sides. Slowly, they start releasing water and the masala turns into a thick, nutty gravy. Cover and cook till everything becomes soft, juicy, and perfectly coated. Fourth one is Lasuni Paneer, bold, creamy, and full of garlicky goodness. Start by crushing garlic, green chili, and fresh coriander into a coarse mix. Lightly fry paneer pieces in oil until golden and keep them aside. In the same pan, add finely chopped onions and saute till soft. Then add the crushed mixture along with a little ginger garlic crush. Now add your dry spices and salt. Add fresh cream and a little curd to create a thick, rich gravy. Let it come to a gentle boil. Then add the fried paneer and coat it well in the masala. Finish it with a sizzling garlic tadka on top and garnish with fresh coriander. Fifth one is Rajma, thick, comforting and full of homely flavors. Start by pressure cooking soaked rajma with a few whole spices for about 4 whistles. Meanwhile, for the gravy, saute onions, tomatoes and green chilies in a mix of oil and a little butter, then grind it into a smooth paste. In the same pan, prepare a tadka with ginger, garlic and green chili. Add the prepared paste and cook it well with dry spices until it turns rich and aromatic. Now add the cooked rajma along with salt and mix everything nicely. Sprinkle some kasuri